In this video, I'm going to show you how to see the posts and photos that you recently moved to the recycle bin, okay? Remember, if you leave them there, they'll be deleted after 30 days, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. And of course, if you find this video helpful, just give me a like for the algorithm. Let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing we need to do is click on our Facebook profile picture here. Then we'll click on your Facebook profile name. Here, my name is Weekly for Chengo. I'll just click on the name, okay? Remember to follow every step keenly here so you don't make any mistake. Then we'll click on the three dots here, okay? Then we locate place written archive. Where is it? Where is it? Somewhere here, okay? This one, archive. Then here we are in the archive, but we are not interested in archive because here just contain photos and posts that you archived from your main profile. We are interested in the recycle bin. We'll click the recycle bin. Now you can see in the recycle bin I have two posts here. I can choose to delete them or restore them. Here I can view the post, move to archive or restore to our profile. Whatever you want to do with this is up to you. But here, let me say I want to delete this post here. Let me say I want to delete it. I can just do it very easy like this. The post has been deleted. Okay, you want to see the notification. The post has been deleted. It will no longer be available on Facebook. And you see this post here, there's just 28 days left before it's deleted permanently. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.